Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the dish, LNB type, and whether your TV has a built-in satellite tuner or needs an external receiver. Once done, power off devices and run the coax from the dish to the receiver input. Make sure connectors are tight and grounded. You should note the dish's azimuth/elevation and have a signal meter or app ready. Next, mount the receiver near the TV and connect HDMI. Keep spare F connectors and a torque wrench to secure fittings. Now power the receiver and enter installation. You select satellite name, LNB type, frequency, and polarization, and configure DI-SXC ports if multiple LNBs or a motor is present. Once set, enable LNB power or a power inserter if required. Make sure the coax run is as short and direct as possible to minimize loss. Then perform a signal strength and quality check on the receiver, while someone slowly adjusts the dish. Watch the bars, and after you have a solid signal, run the receiver's channel scan for the selected satellite and transponders. Make sure the scan completes fully so all services appear. Once channels are found, set your preferred language and favorite list, and check for a firmware or EPG update to ensure stable guides. Finally, test multiple channels in different bands and resolutions. If you see pixelation or dropouts, recheck connectors and LNB power, and if problems persist, try swapping coax or testing with a known good receiver.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.